got another package. Well, we got 2 packages. Alright, let's check them out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back, everybody, to another unboxing video. Today we actually got 2 packages from MajorSurplus.com. Feel free to check out their website. They have a lot of items on their website and always updating their inventory. So check out MajorSurplus.com. I think we're going to do box number 1 in this video and put box number 2 in a separate, possibly show and tell video on that playlist as opposed to the unboxing list. We'll see how I feel. It might just be on both, just to do a crossover. So let's get box number 2 out of the way right here. Get you out of the way, thank you. Let's get this thing open. So let's cut away from ourselves. Looks like we did kind of a overlap flap here and trim the box to fit this time. So I'm curious to see what else is in the packaging method. So they took a much bigger box and trimmed it down to fit, which is cool. Saves on the weight. Okay, so we got some peanuts, and I'm looking for a manifest. No, I don't even remember what I ordered. A bunch of all sorts of weird stuff in here. Perhaps it's in the other box. Looks like I'm slicing this open just in case. Alright, give me a second. Working on it. Anyways, MajorSurplus.com. Large variety of items. You're already getting a sneak peek as to what's in box number 1. What's in the box? What's in the box? Come on, there's gotta be a manifest in there somewhere. Got it. Okay. So they've been separated. Okay, so let's see if I can actually do this. Getting bold here. Getting bold. I'm going to screw up and box myself. So let's see if I can do this. There you go. Alright. So let's do this big one that we already touched. We have a, by description, an Italian Kevlar helmet. Probably have to do a little research to get the specific model, but they were pretty vague. Kind of looks like a Pasget, but I'm sure there's a more specific model. Let's see if there's a quick manufacturer's marking on it. Quick observations. Triangular style of chin strap, 3-point. Suspension has 6 points here of a rubber, foam pad. Sorry. We have skeletonized, kind of firm but squishy foam on the sides, nothing on the back, that's just a packing material, nothing on the front really. Hard plastic mounts there, Velcro here, kind of vinylized. Is it leather? No, it might actually be leather. I can feel the suede on the other side. So green dyed, olive green dyed leather, and this looks like it can be size adjusted with the Velcro. Got a circular ring there, and that's how it cinches together. And we have a leather chin strap on the one side. So Italian Kevlar helmet, some dent marking. Nope, that's a dent. Scratch. scratch. Oh, look at that, you can actually see the material. It's for real. Alright. Next, in a bag, I'm going to reuse for something, possibly as a garment bag over a hanger, or some hats, or maybe some canteens. Who knows? I think we can get this out of the way. Alright, loot bag here. So these are some US marked, but I believe these are newly made production. Nylon M16 pouch, olive drab. So, round fingers, there we go. Hard plastic, tension straps, mags will go in there. These are Voodoo Tactical. You can see the logo in there. Barely. Come on. No. I got side pouches for round throwing objects or something else. 2 of those. And this was some odd item that they said Chinese plastic thermal canteen with canvas strap. So I got this for giggles. It's way bigger than I thought it would be, which is cool. You see the size of my hand in comparison. It's actually pretty big. Sticker of markings. That's I'd like to keep on there, although I want to wash that blob of whatever that is. Glue. And yep, canvas strap, round, plastic cup top. Dare I open it? So you got some sort of cork thing there. And a very rough aluminum interior. That'll be interesting. I don't think I'll be using this, but I definitely will put it in the canteen display. Again, Chinese plastic thermal canteen with canvas strap. And that sticker almost peeled itself off right there. So we might actually use this bag to put this in. So again, these all came from MajorSurplus.com. This is 2 of those modern production M16 pouches. We got an Italian Kevlar helmet. Look at the liner there for you folks who are into helmets. Looks like there's some sort of marking there, and oh, there we go. I can just found the information right there, so you can see that. Can't really pull out. Let's see. I have to juggle this with this. There we go. Okay. So where there? Anything else here? What's this? There we go. All in Italian. Like in pretty good condition. So again, these all came from MajorSurplus.com. Feel free to check them out. Got a lot of stuff on their website. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos. We'll do part 2 in a separate video. We also do more specific show and tell videos, as well as curios for the curious, more RC type objects, and a select catalog of book review, media review videos as well. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.